Organizational leaders try their best to motivate employees to act in ways that help an organization achieve its objectives, a concept known as organizational control. But as datafication technologies emerge that help measure every fiber of the employee and transform it into data, how does organizational control change? As a result of morphological analysis, researchers were able to develop a datafication technology control framework to better understand the complexities of datafication. Using this framework to make sense of technology-based controls used by firms allows organizations to retool their control system architectures and, for instance, prevent a Big Brother effect. Many companies are using technology to gather and process data about their employees, from installing intelligent GPS tracking on delivery trucks to putting software on employee computers that analyzes emails in order to track employees' moods or desires to leave the organization, or even to help identify where key skill sets lie within the organization. As researchers study datafication strategies through this new framework, they can identify important key features of datafication control, such as the extent of automated decision-making or whether employees have been asked for their consent. As organizations understand how datafication control is used, they can decide how to change or adapt their controls and optimize them in a more inclusive manner to create a better fit between business needs and employee concerns. Wonder how datafication may affect your organization? If so, you may want to read this paper.